In this module, we're going to give you simple but powerful sales page templates and copywriting strategies you can use to turn any digital product into a high-converting offer, even if you've never written a sales page before. Think of your sales page like a digital conversation. You're answering one question: why should someone buy this product right now? Here's a basic plug-and-play structure you can use for almost any digital product. Step 1. Hook. Grab their attention fast. Use a bold headline that speaks to a result. For example, discover the simple budgeting system that helps you save more without feeling deprived. Step 2. Problem. Call out the frustration they're facing. Most people try to manage their money with random apps and guesswork. No plan, no progress, and no peace of mind. Step 3. Solution. Introduce your product as the answer. That's why I created the 5-step monthly budget blueprint, a printable system designed to make budgeting simple, visual, and actually effective. Step 4. What's inside? Use bullet points to break down what they get, always tied to benefits. Daily, weekly, and monthly budget trackers to organize your spending. Goal-setting prompts to stay motivated. Visual worksheets that make money management less overwhelming. Step 5. Testimonials or social proof. If you have them, great. If not yet, leave this out for now. As you grow, always collect feedback. Step 6. Guarantee or assurance. Ease buyer fear. Even simple lines like instant download, yours for life, help. Step 7. Call to action. Tell them exactly what to do. Click the button below to grab your instant download and start your transformation today. You can write this entire page in less than an hour, especially with the help of ChatGPT. In fact, try this prompt. Write a sales page for a printable digital budgeting planner that helps beginners save money and reduce stress. Include a bold headline, emotional problem, product solution, bullet points, and a call to action. ChatGPT will give you a full first draft, and you can customize from there. If you've grabbed the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, you'll find a variety of done-for-you product mockups and copy templates you can use instantly. These save you hours and make your products feel premium even before the customer downloads anything. If you've also picked up the done-for-you WordPress website, it includes built-in sales page layouts. Just copy, paste, and swap in your product images and benefits. The hard part's already done. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy outcomes. So focus your words on the result, the transformation, the feeling. Keep it simple, be clear, and always guide the buyer toward action. In the next chapter, we'll shift into building your digital funnels, so you can start turning traffic into leads, leads into buyers, and one product into a full digital income system. Let's go!